It's that time again. It's that time again. But what should I do? Grab a frozen store-bought pizza and add some pizzazz. It's a pizza pizzazz party.
Good. Yeah!
I'm turning this into a Tater Tot Casserole pizza. Let's do it. This is a great pizza to make on game day. Speaking of game day, there's my friend Ian Good, who loves celebrating game day by making fun recipes. This video is in collaboration with Ian Good. I'm browning some meat in a little garlic and some sour cream. I've started with my crust. I'm gonna add some cream of mushroom soup right on top. Spread it out. Then I add on that creamy beef. And I've pre-baked some tots that I put on top. Now we're gonna fully cover it in some cheese. Let's bake this puppy. Ooh, doggy, that looks good. I'm ready to try it. Tater Tot Casserole pizza in my mouth. It is Tater Tot Casserole, all right, and it is awesome. Love those tots on a pizza, and that cream of mushroom soup is wonderful on top. It's great, and it'll be good for a game day. If you want to see more game day treats, check out my friend Ian's channel. Okay, thank you so much for watching Jim's Kitsch Kitchen. If you want to see more unique recipes, subscribe to my channel. I've got plenty to show you. Thank you. Bye. What type of potato loves making announcements on game day? A commentator.